7 dash 10. I've done 7-9, okay, and so let's take a look at that. We'll look at 10 as well, just to kind of give you guys a few hints, hopefully. But the mean of a normal probability distribution is 500. The standard deviation is 10. That means that, one standard deviation would be either 500 plus 10 or 500 minus 10. And if we look at the empirical rule, which is on the bottom of page 215 there, it's also basically in the blue example on 216 there, where it says example, but basically it says that about 68% of observations lie between what two values, and the values are plus or minus one standard deviation. So if my mean is 500, and you draw that, and I wish I could draw it on here, but you draw that normal, here I'll just kind of, that normal curve, right? So, and the mean's 500, then one standard deviation to the minus is 490, and one standard deviation to the plus is 510. I look at B, and it says about 95% of the observations lie between what two values, okay, and again the empirical rule says that it would be two standard deviations then plus or minus. So it's two standard deviations. It'd be 20 or 500 minus 20 or 480 and 500 plus 20 through to 520. And then practically all of the observations would lie between three standard deviations, or 470, 3 times 10, 500 minus 3 times 10, so 470, and the opposite would be up to the 530. So now your guys's, I think, kind of turns that around. It says the mean of a normal probability distribution is 60, the standard deviation is 5. Just the opposite of what we went through, so the answer should be relatively easy to come by.